Hey guys, Dr. Back. Sorry for starting off a little late, but I found an easier way to take off the 2000, 2000, I guess, believe it's 3 to 2005 or 6, 745 Li. I see the easiest way to get the starter out is by taking off the O2 sensor, loosening on the frame. I have the frame being held by two jacks. One over there, one over here, and so far all I've loose is just the frame, the steering link, I never had to take off the exhaust, thank God. For the heat shield, I have to get it out the way. That's the hardest part with the heat shield. But after that, you just basically wiggle its way out, just move it in a certain position. What I did was push it down, which it started downwards, and then slightly turn it, and then angle it in a way and slide it right out. Like right there. That's after taking off the two nuts for the wires for the starter. Yeah. So that's pretty much all I did. Take off that bottom shield, pull the engine cradle out with two jacks. Hold on 1 second. I can see the engine. Oh, and also I took off the airflow meter so I can, when the engine come down a little bit, it doesn't mess anything up. Pretty much it's so far it wasn't too bad. As you can see, just a frame loosened off and being held up by two jacks. And the steering link, let's get on it, you can see it. The steering link is right here, is right there. As you can see, it's not all the way out at all. And that's it. There we go. That's the bolts, the 6 bolts. Bring the engine down a little bit for the cradle. Then I had to loose the engine mount bracket still in there. Pretty much wasn't as hard as they showed on YouTube. Wasn't too bad at all. Alright, I'm getting ready to put the new starter in. And I'll show you how easy that is, pretty much. Let's go underneath here. Back down in my position that I was. And let's put the new starter in. I've already tested the starter already, so I know the starter is good. So, gotta put the starter in. Like that. And then we're just gonna slide it right in here. Curve it in. Twist it a little bit. So see? It already, as you can see, already lined up. And all I gotta do is just push it forward. There we go. Let's see. It's a little hard doing one hand. But make it happen. Alright, well, I can see the starter is already lined up inside already. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Try my right hand so I can get to my finger. Turn the starter. It's hard doing it with one hand. Alright, and that's it. Just the O2 sensor. I never had to take off the height adjuster or the headlight adjuster. I ain't had to touch that at all. Now this car already had missing the fender well already, so I mean you will take that off. And cars a lot of oil leaks, but we can get to those later on. But for this side, looks like it's coming from the vacuum pump for the brake booster. It's coming from up there somewhere. I've already found it already. Yep. So not too bad. I will pause the video for a second while I put the screws them in, cause I need 2 hands to do it, unfortunately. So bear with me. Oh, I also mentioned the ground wire. I also took off the ground wire to make more access. That's one nut. Take it off and put it to the side. Right. And I also let me see. Oh, I lose the spindle. Just one nut on the side. Basically a nut. I'll just push it back up. Yeah. I didn't really have to take it off, but I just took it off. Like I said, it's my first time. And I mean, it's just extra work that I never had to do. There you go, guys. Not too bad at all.